Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains two different beneficial ideas. That is, you can see that this video contains borderline embroidery designs that are specifically designed onto your bottoms, trousers, capris, and even onto your pants. The beauty and creativity of this video is that you are going to see a very beautiful, mesmerizing, and eye-catchy use of borderline embroidery patterns that could be specifically designed for your trousers, shalwar, jeans, pants, and capri, and even onto the plazos of your dresses. So the creativity is unique in itself. As you know that we have been discussing and showing different types of wide variety of design ideas that are specifically related to hand embroidery, hand art. And I have shared numerous thousands of designs of borderline embroidery that are specifically following embroidery border designs that are in the form of caries or in the form of sequential linear patterns. But the creativity of and the use of the waterline embroidery patterns is now bring it into a visual representation. That is, you are going to see how they can be used onto your trousers or bottoms. The scope is not only limited to this, you can also use them for embroidering the borders of your sleeves, even onto the borders of your shirts, dupattas, or different type of corners of your scarves or shawls. The creativity is not limited to one thing. So I hope that you have liked the today's ideas and design patterns. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming content on my channel.